Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Today, I am back with a unique design that you can use in different ways, whether for a palazzo or slip. So, let's begin. I am using a single color cotton fabric depending on the size of a palazzo or slip. Take the fabric accordingly. I have taken 14 inches, including 1 inch extra for stitching. First, I cut the fabric into a lightly rounded shape. Then I added white lace on all four sides of the round piece. After that, I flip it over and top stitch it neatly. Now I will set this piece aside and move on to the Pintuck section. I took another piece of the same fabric, 18 inches long and 7 inches wide. To prepare for the Pintucks, I am marking the fabric carefully, starting by leaving 2 inches of shape, then marking every half inch to keep all the Pintucks even. I sewed along the lines to create the Pintucks. Now all the Pintucks are done, and I have added lace along the length as you can see. Next, I will take another long strip of fabric and make frills just like this. Now it's time to assemble all three parts together. Watch closely. First, I will place the frill part onto the Pintuck section, curving it slightly. Then I will attach the first round fabric piece. After that, I will sew the two sides together. And that's it. The design is complete. Let me know how it turned out for you. And yes, don't forget to comment and tell me where you are watching from. That's all for today. See you again soon, inshallah. Take care and Allah Hafiz.